how to create a source from existing YouTube. First, head over to your YouTube application. Inside your YouTube application, head over to your profile section. Inside your profile section, head over to your channel option, and as you can see in the video section, I have one video. Let's click on it. I will pause it down and simply click on the remix option. As you can see here, click on remix option. Once you click on it, you will get the option called edit into a short, and you can simply click on it, and you can modify its orientation. As you know, the orientation or size for the short video is 9:16, so you can adjust it according to your need. And you can also adjust the length of the video, a short video you want. Let's say I want 10 seconds of the video, and click on done and wait for some time for it to process. And once it's processed, click on next. Give some title to this, let's say car music video, and you can also include some hashtags, and simply upload the short and wait for some time. As you can see, my video is uploaded now as a short also, so you can simply click on it and you can view it as a slot. When you click on it, you can view it as a short video. And that's it, guys. That's exactly how you can create or turn a existing video into a YouTube short. So thank you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.